Hi, I am Dr. Vipin Tyagi, consultant in the departments of Urology and Kidney Transplant Surgery, Sir Gangaram Hospital, New Delhi, India. Today we will be discussing about the cancer prostate, everything a common person should know about it. And why we want to discuss this thing? Because cancer prostate is something which is not uncommon. It is the second most commonly diagnosed cancer in the male worldwide and the fifth most commonly cancer diagnosed among all the individuals globally. In India, the incidence of cancer prostate is about 9 to 10 patients per 1 lakh of male population, and it causes a significant morbidity and mortality. What are the symptoms of cancer prostate? The patient who has a cancer prostate may have no symptoms, or he can present to us with the symptoms in difficulty in passing urine, which includes poor flow, increased frequency, burning in passing urine, blood in urine, or any other urinary difficulty. In advanced cases of cancer prostate, the patient may present to us with pain in the lower back or bony pain, loss of appetite और loss of weight. यानी कि बहुत सारे मरीज ऐसे होते हैं जिनको कोई भी परेशानी नहीं होती है कैंसर प्रोस्टेट की वजह से, और जो परेशानियां होती हैं वो प्रोस्टेट एनलार्जमेंट की वजह से होती है, जिसकी वजह से यूरिन का रास्ता सकरा हो जाता है और उसकी वजह से उनको यूरिन करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है, या कुछ एडवांस केसेस में एक जनरलाइज्ड कमज़ोरी या लॉस ऑफ वेट या उनकी हड्डियों में दर्द होना, ये सारी परेशानियों के साथ में कोई भी कैंसर प्रोस्टेट का मरीज एक डॉक्टर के पास आ सकता है. So this is all about the cancer prostate. If you have any query, any questions, and you understand something more about the cancer prostate, you can directly contact me on any given social platforms. Thanks and have a wonderful day.